Running out of gas. What happens to your car and how you can get help. Running out of gas is a more common problem than you may think, but that doesn't make it any less frustrating to get stranded on the side of the road. Why is your car refusing to cooperate, and how are you supposed to get to your destination now? Don't worry, getting help is easy, even if you aren't near a gas station. Keep watching to figure out what happens when you run out of gas and, most importantly, what you can do next. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Auto V Fix. We bring you exciting topics about automobiles and provide clear explanations of car-related issues and essential components. We share helpful and professional tips to help you maintain your vehicle. Keep watching as we explore the repercussions of running out of gas on your car and provide insights on how to seek assistance. Happy viewing! What happens to your car when you run out of gas? Without gas to run your engine, your vehicle shuts off. Gas provides the fuel to keep your car and engine running. As your engine shuts off, from lack of fuel, you lose the ability to control your vehicle until your car stalls. When there's no gas left, your car abruptly stops, as if you took the key out of the ignition. Signs of low fuel. Braking and steering feel harder than usual. The ability to maneuver your car is directly connected to the engine running. Pull over immediately if you notice that it's hard to brake or your steering feels uncontrollable. Your engine stutters or your car stalls. Without enough fuel to support your engine, you may have difficulty starting your car or keeping it on. This is especially dangerous if you're driving on the highway, so make sure to pull over if you are running low on gas. The fuel gauge on the dashboard reads empty. To avoid running out of gas, never let your gas tank get below 1/4 full. Locate the nearest gas station when your fuel gauge is running low. Getting help. Find a safe parking spot until you can refill your gas tank. If you're driving on the highway, turn on your hazard lights to warn other drivers. Pull over to the right side of the road and park on the shoulder if possible. Determine your location to receive help for your vehicle. Use your phone's or car's GPS to quickly identify your location. If you don't have service, look at road signs or nearby buildings to determine the general area of where you are. Request roadside assistance or call your car insurance company. If you have a roadside assistance membership or a program through your car insurance company, give them a call to request for help. They will bring you enough gas to get you to the nearest gas station or tow your car. Refill your gas tank and restart your car. After refueling, you may have to pump your gas pedal a few times, with the car off, to get the new gas flowing to your engine. Insert your key into the ignition and turn it to the on position, without starting your engine. Repeat 3-4 times before turning the key all the way to restart the car. Will running out of gas damage your car? The fuel pump may overheat and lead to engine failure. The fuel pump is designed to pull gas from the bottom of your gas tank and deliver fuel to your engine. Gas acts as a lubricant and cooling agent for the fuel pump, so your fuel pump overheats when your gas tank is empty. Low gas levels can lead to clogged fuel injectors. Attached to the bottom of the fuel pump is a fuel filter that removes debris from your gas. Gas moves from the fuel pump to your car's engine via fuel injectors. When gas levels are low, impurities are pushed through the filter, clogging the fuel injectors and preventing gas from reaching your engine. If the vehicle is powered by diesel, the fuel system will need to be bled in order for the engine to restart. All diesel engines have 2 fuel pumps. The low-pressure lift pump draws fuel from the tank and brings it to the high-pressure injector pump. If the lift pump pushes air into the injector pump, the system will become airlocked, preventing fuel from getting to the injectors. And that's a wrap on the repercussions of running out of gas on your car. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more DIY automotive content, and hit that notification bell. Drop your comments below if there's a specific topic you'd like us to cover. Until next time, stay safe and happy driving.